A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kites, kites. Kites. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Noose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet, violet. Fire. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us? This is circle. Pizza is the shape of circle. But circle. Circle. This is square. It has 4 sides. Dice is the shape of square. Purple square. Square. I am triangle. I have 3 sides. Mountain's the shape of triangle. Green triangle. Triangle. I am stars. I have 5 sides. You can see me in the sky. Yellow star. Star. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides. Orange hexagon. Hexagon. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides. And envelope is the shape of rectangle. 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 I am oval. Egg is the shape of oval. Green oval. Oval. This is diamond. It has 4 sides. Kites is the example of diamond. Thank you. Learn days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Learn again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. Learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. 11, 12, big background. 13, 14 makes us sing. 15, 16 makes the kitchen. 17, 18 makes the weight. And 19, 20 my plate is empty. Let's do it one more time. This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white.
Do you know how many days in a week? There's 7 days. Let's learn the days of week. Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y.
Sunday.
Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday,
T-U-E-S-D-A-Y.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday.
Thursday.
T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y.
Thursday.
Friday.
F-R-I-D-A-Y.
Friday.
Saturday.
S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y.
Saturday.
7 days of week.
Sunday. Monday. Monday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday. Sunday.
7 days in a week. Let's learn again. Oh, kids, gather near. It's time to learn animals loud and clear. First, let's visit the zoo today. See the animals come out to play. Monkey swings from tree to tree, chattering happily full of glee. Camel walks with a humpback, carrying loads on a sandy track. Deer with antlers sleek and swift through the forest that quietly drift. Bear with its big, fuzzy face roams the woods at a steady pace. Giraffe reaches up so high, neck so long it touches the sky. Panda munches on bamboo shoots in the forest to peacefully roost. Bear the roars with a mighty sound, its stripes are bold, orange and brown. Elephant's trunk swings all around, thick ears flapping, stomping the ground. Lion the king with his regal mane, in the zoo there's so much to gain. Next, let's head to the farmyard gate. Meet the animals, isn't this great? Cow says moo and chews on grass. In the meadow you see them pass. Sheep are fluffy in fields they graze, white and woolly in the sun's warm rays. Goose honks loudly, flaps its wings. Near the pond it often sings. Horse gallops, oh how it sings, with a mane that flows and graceful wings. Chicken clucks and pecks the ground, laying eggs all year round. Goats with horns, it's so spry, climbing hills, reaching high. It rolls in mud with a happy grunt, loves to dig with its snout in the front. Donkey's heart is always blunt, strong and steady, bears the brunt. Duck swims in the pond so cool, quacking softly near the pool. Rabbit hops with a twitchy nose in the garden where the carrots grow. To know them, everyone. Sing this line and you'll real kid. Kids, today we learn 8 healthy habits. Here we go. Habit 1 says, get up early in the morning. Habit 2 says, brush your teeth twice a day and cavities, good boy. Habit 3 says, take a bath. Clean yourself in every part and take home. Habit 4 says, eat healthy food. Habit 5 says, wash your hands. Clean your nail and trim them too. You are germs-free now. Habit 6 says, dress up neat and wash clothes and iron clean all through the day. Habit 7 says, exercise daily. Run around, don't all sit down once every day. Let's learn good habits.
Kids, today we learn water animals. Octopuses, 8 arms waving all around. Swimming through the sea where treasures are found. Octopus. Octopus. Jellyfish float by with a gentle glow. Their see-through bodies put on a light show. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Crabs scuttle sideways with claws big and wide. Burying in the sand, it loves to hide. Crownfish swims. Crownfish swims in an anemone's home. Orange and white in the sea they roam. Clownfish, clownfish. Stingray glides smoothly, flat and so grand, floating like a kite above the ocean sand. Stingray, stingray.